welcome to, Sonic 03 here, or Kyo, whatever you want to call me. Now, recently, you might know a series on YouTube called, Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? Very popular. Spawned a few, sub-series I've noticed on YouTube. And yeah, we're in Sonic 03 Studio number 1. So that means my house, not Yoshiru's house or Luna's house or Shroud's house, which are studios 1 through 3. No, 2 through 4. Anyways, this is our lovely microwave. Her name is Penny, because she's a Panasonic. Yes. And today, for christening her, we shall put in this football. Very old football. Very old microwave. Let me give you a little history of Penny. She was in that motorhome, which is right there. And yeah, Penny is from, obviously, the 70s. Notice her design. And, damn it. Her interior, ladies, already had a test run. In goes the football. You don't want to be near this. Shut the door. Now, how long should I put the football in there for? Well, you see this knob? You turn this on Penny. Whoa, not for that one. And she makes a ding. It's kind of amusing. Let's put it in there for about 2 minutes. Now, there's the start button, but since this is compressed air, I'm not going to push the start button. I'll set camera right there, zoomed in on Penny. Whoa. Down, girl. Zoomed in on Penny. On Penny. On Penny. There we go. And so, yeah. Push the start button. Is it going? I can't tell. Did we already kill Penny? Oh no, I forgot to plug her in. Duh. Now since Penny is plugged in, she's eerily not moving. This could be bad. I'm scared. I don't know if she's on or not. So. Football doesn't get warm. Penny's on her tray. Alright. Jesus Christ! I'm obviously standing behind nothing. I should be standing behind something. hide behind this tarp because no one wants to die. I'm yelling because I'm obviously not by the camera. It is about a foot away from Penny. Come on, blow. Come on, blow. I am scared. Yeah, realy kitty and be wise for you to stay back. Oh crap, well with that, I'm scared, people. I truly do not know what this thing is gonna do. I'm stopping this. I don't know how to stop this. Maybe if I push the button again? Hey, that stops it. Let's add... Jesus Christ! Seven minutes. That is scary sounding! What the heck is going on inside of her? Yeah, I'm calling this. Oh! And this is what Penny did. She made a smoking football. Anyways, it's probably a good or a bad idea. So yeah. Subject number 1, football. Anyways, stay tuned for more, people.